The nature of the Employment Equity Act is to ensure equality of all people by providing equal opportunities for employment and fair treatment in the workplace. So the emphasis here is on equality for all people. Again, it was an act that was enacted after 1994. Prior to 1994, we had apartheid legislation, and after 1994, the Employment Equity Act was enacted to ensure equality for all people by providing equal opportunities for employment and fair treatment in the workplace. And the fair treatment simply relates to ensuring that people get promoted based on the quality of their work and performance and not just by the color of their skin. The aims of the Employment Equity Act is to ensure that people in the workplace, especially designated groups of employees, are advantaged in terms of getting employment and promotion. Now, these designated groups are women, colored employees, Indian employees, African employees, and people with disabilities. The Act was specially enacted to ensure that the designated groups are given opportunities to ensure that they advance within the workplace. Another aim of that Act is to ensure that there's equity in the workplace. I alluded to that already. And then the Act was also enacted to ensure that unfair discrimination against employees are prohibited, or they are not allowed to discriminate unfairly against all employees. So that is basically the aims of the Employment Equity Act.